Severe weather is knocking on our doorstep. Tallahassee, good evening, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Allender. The key thing to note, tornado watch is in effect till 4 a.m. tonight. That means conditions are favorable right here in the Tallahassee area for severe weather and certainly isolated tornadoes to occur until 4 p.m. But you can see the line isn't quite here yet, but we do have several severe thunderstorm warnings for our Georgia counties from, say, Albany and Sylvester down into Thomasville area and Cairo over toward Bainbridge as well. And we do also have some flash flooding reported in Mariana, 3 inches of rain in an hour reported here. As you can see, the storm is getting closer as it marches from west to east. We're going to continue to monitor it for you very, very closely. It's all because of this low pressure system, and that's the punch that we have tonight, giving us these line of thunderstorms. As it continues to track toward the east, you know, we're going to be dealing with a rough time here in the next couple hours or so as these storms move into the city. It's going to dry out tomorrow for sure, but just be windy behind this system. So as we take a look at what's going on, again, this front will move through. The winds will blow in pretty strong as we go into the day tomorrow. But we have this slight severe weather risk, still relatively high for a February evening, and it's definitely high when you consider that people are going to start settling down, going to sleep. Slight chance of severe weather right over Tallahassee. This means damaging winds over 60 miles per hour, isolated tornadoes, flooding, and lightning. You're going to want to take it easy as you go out and about this evening. Don't go out unless you have to. And then, as you can see, Sunday morning, this is all going to be to our east, say Jacksonville up toward the Carolinas. You have a slight risk of some severe weather. The air is just very soupy out there. We have 67 degrees current temperature in Tallahassee. Rain cooled though in Albany with 58 degrees. 63 in Mariana, where again about 3 inches of rain has been reported. Some snap trees down there as well. 59 degrees in Crestview. So some safety tips as these storms continue to approach. Again, a tornado watch right now. Several severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. And that just means, again, gusty winds, hail, and maybe an isolated tornado or two. So stay indoors. If you come across flooded roadways when you're driving, turn around, don't drown. And if you're thinking about going to sleep anytime soon, turn on that NOAA weather radio just to be comforted by that. You know, you want to be safe in case that does go off, or have your phone on in case FSU alert sends you a text message or anything like that. You're going to want to be keeping tuned to the latest situation. Here's that big storm system that we have going on. You can see it's continuing to scoot toward the east very quickly. These storms moving 40 to 50 miles per hour. Clearly, people to storm on these storms, that is, as they continue to move toward the east. Again, Tallahassee right in the middle of that tornado watch. Conditions are going to be going downhill over the next couple hours. So for tonight, don't want to go outside. The storms are approaching. Again, they're in Mariana, Bainbridge, up towards Sylvester and Albany, continuing to move toward the east very quickly at about 50 miles per hour, so you can bet that it's almost going to rain. Pretty crazy. So then for tomorrow, we're going to be seeing the conditions drying out. We're going to see windy conditions, though, and then over the next 7 days, colder weather for sure, at least Sunday night and Monday, and maybe another chance of rain as we head toward the middle part and latter part of the week.